With Nextcloud, your organization can grow over time, and as developer, you can help bring digital sovereignty to millions of users in our community.
Nextcloud Hub 26 Winter has many updates, giving you even more control, ownership, and stronger security. A more powerful Nextcloud Hub that is even easier to use. What do you think, Greta?
What I like the most in this release are some of the practical improvements that impact me every day, like pinned messages in Nextcloud Talk, compact mode in Mail, and I think the live translation in calls, it's really an impressive feature. Home users, company or big government, and even without deep technical skills.
It is very important to us to provide ways in which everyone can take their first steps into the world of digital sovereignty. And you might be wondering where to start.
Broadly, I would say you can go one of the two ways. First, there's a private cloud. And second, you can go for a managed service.
You can use Nextcloud to shape your own collaboration platform running in a cloud. Private means it's dedicated to you, but there are still options here. First, virtual. A cloud provider configured a virtual cloud for you on which Nextcloud runs. You manage Nextcloud, but it is running on a shared hardware. Second, hosted. Your hardware is fully dedicated to you. However, you're still in somebody else's data center and not for you. Then the third option might be for you. Third, on-premises. Run Nextcloud on-premises in your own data center. Or like yours, you can run it in your old desktop turned server in the living room.
If you use a private cloud, you have to take care of maintaining Nextcloud yourself. We make that as easy as possible, both for home and business users. For smaller installations, we have our All-in-One. It's a cloud-ready Docker container, deploy it, and it takes care of the rest. It will manage a number of other containers, making sure that they get updated, handling backups, and so on. Get started with the All-in-One Docker image by scanning this QR code or visit our download page. It's super easy and convenient. Of course, there are other options like a snap for Ubuntu systems, for example. For large-scale installations, we have what we call our Enterprise All-in-One. That is a cloud-native solution designed for Kubernetes, clusters, and such. If you think that all that sounds like a lot of work, you are looking for a managed Nextcloud.
With managed Nextcloud, there are some choices to make, but we're here to help. First, as a business, you might want a private cloud, virtual, hosted, or even in your own data center. But you'd like to get help with deployment and maintenance. This is possible. We have some excellent partners that will keep your systems running smoothly wherever you host it. Second, you could get an all-in-one service with hosting management. We have hosting partners which offer this for businesses and home users. Third, simple sign-up. It is the quickest way to get started for home users. All you need to do is go to nextcloud.com/signup and just enter your email address to get started. You will get a free account at one of our hosting partners chosen based on your location. Let me assure you that you will not be the first one to go on this journey. Thousands of organizations like yours have already successfully moved to Nextcloud.